welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. Today we have a new mod for the Dodge Charger. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. I went with the gloss black for the 2013 Dodge Charger. I was gonna do the carbon fiber one, but I didn't like how this part looked with the carbon, so I went with gloss black. I think it'll accent it better, especially with all the other mods that I have that I'm going to put with it. We're just gonna go with the gloss black theme for the outside of the car. And then you see where on the back it has strips where it'll just clip on. We'll see if we have to put some extra ones on there. We'll see how that go. We're gonna clean the area real nice and clean and see what we have. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to go into the trunk and get some things to clean. Get our microfiber towel. We're just gonna wipe down everything that we're about to do. is chipped at right here. And right there. It's chipped going all the way across there. The cover should cover that. Okay, now that we got everything prepped, we're going to start with the door handles. Now it's time to do the mirrors, so let's get to it. Now it's time to do the gas door. Now it's time to clean them up and show you the end result. And I think I did the right choice by going with the gloss back instead of the carbon fiber because of the dark gray in the paint, and I believe the carbon fiber would have kind of clashed with it. But I like the black; it really gives a good accent to it. I love the gas door with the little car emblem on it. It just gives it that extra little, oomph to it. I really, really love it. So that's it for today. Please tune in to another episode of Cruising with Christ. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get all the latest content that we do on this channel. We have a lot more mods coming for this car, and we're going to be really putting this car together and changing the look of it from what it was to what it is now and what it's going to be in the future. Okay, so everybody have a blessed and wonderful day, and as always, stay cruising with Christ.